You will surely prefer this to makeup. At the end of this, you will love your skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, you will surely prefer this natural treatment to makeup. This is not as if you shouldn't use makeup. Makeup is actually good, okay? But instead of using makeup to cover your blemishes, to cover pigmentations, acne, and the rest, dark spots, apply this treatment to take care of them. Those things that makes you to use makeup, using makeup to cover your pigmentations and blemishes, you will never use makeup again. So you have to continue watching because the ingredients are perfect for all skin type. Very nourishing. Apply on your skin will do a good job. Like your skin will be glowing beautifully. So without wasting time, let me list the ingredients, how to prepare them for best results. So the first ingredient you have to get is orange. So get orange of any type, any color. This particular one is the local one, the green type. Is actually very effective. So the most important thing is all contains vitamin C, and that is what we need. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to nourish our skin, keeping your skin from drying out, protecting your skin from aging. Yes, it helps to delay signs of aging. But why we are using it in this treatment is not to make you look younger alone. It will make your skin bright, like it brightens the skin. It gets rid of dark spots, lightens pigmentations, unifying your complexion and making it to glow beautifully. So you have to get orange. So I will tell you how to make use of it, the right quantity for best results. And the next one is rice powder. Rice powder is very good for the skin. It's very exfoliating. If you do not have rice powder, you can make use of baking flour. Not baking soda, not baking powder. Please, the one you use in baking, making your cake or donuts, okay, or bread. That is the kind of flour I mean. So rice powder helps to lighten the skin, like making your skin uniform. It brightens pigmentations. It helps to exfoliate your skin, making sure your skin is clear and beautiful. The results will leave your skin looking so, very neat and clear. So get rid of those dead skin cells using rice powder and you will love your skin. So turmeric is also another powerful ingredient, a good antioxidant that you need to take care of your skin, keeping your skin clear and glowing. It's a natural bleaching agent. Look at it. Okay, look at the color. Turmeric powder is very good for the skin. It fights free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. So applying it or making a paste with it will make your skin glowing and lighter. So you can make use of it to get rid of those dark spots, to remove blemishes, removing pigmentations, looking very neat and beautiful, naturally beautiful, no makeup. Like now, I don't have any makeup on my skin. I make sure once in a while I add turmeric into my facial treatment or body treatment to brighten it. There are some skincare products like soap and cream that have this as one of the ingredients. It's going to do you a good job. So get turmeric powder. Then another one to get is this milk powder. Look at it. Use any milk. So milk is very, very good. It contains lactic acid, a natural ingredient that helps greatly to keep your skin very smooth and soft. So it's also going to help to lighten up, dark marks, unify your complexion, making sure your skin is glowing all the time. So before telling you the last ingredient, you have to get a mixing bowl. Make sure the bowl is very clean, no dirt. You don't want to contaminate these ingredients, okay? Yeah, you don't want to contaminate your skin. So you have to mix. The first thing to mix is rice powder or any other flour. 2 tablespoons of rice powder will be enough. 2 tablespoons. Then the next one to add is turmeric. Half tablespoon of turmeric. But if you have so much blemishes on your skin, maybe you have so much dark spots, you want to just lighten up, you can increase the quantity of your turmeric powder. So the next one to add in here is orange. So you have to cut your orange open, squeeze out the juice, add 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons, add it into the treatment and you're all good. Then you add half tablespoon of milk powder. So I'm going to list all this, for you to see on the screen. Half tablespoon of milk powder is enough. So after that, you have to mix all the ingredients together. Ensure it's properly mixed. But in case it's not well mixed, just get rose water. Yes, rose water is very important for the skin. For all skin type, helping to unify complexion, helping to keep your skin glowing. You can use rose water as a facial toner, using it to clean your face before you go to bed, or using it early morning before you apply your cream and makeup. So this is rose water. I love it a lot. It's a natural water that helps not only for mixing the ingredients, it will help to polish your skin, keeping your skin glowing. So it's for all skin type. If you have oily skin, rose water is for you because it's going to stop those greasy look, balance the skin pH and keeping your skin looking flawless. If you have a dry skin, it keeps the skin well hydrated. So go ahead and get rose water. Use it to mix all the ingredients together, little by little, until everything turns a thick paste. So in case you do not have rose water, you can just get ordinary water. But if you have been watching my videos, you notice that I always use rose water a lot, and that is because of the benefits. So just try to get rose water, keep it in your house, okay? It's going to stay a long time, like little goes a long way. So mix the ingredients. After mixing everything together until they're in a thick paste, wash your skin thoroughly, remove all makeups if you have any, clean off all makeups. Then you have to apply these treatments all over your skin, everywhere you want to treat. If you want to only treat your facial skin, make sure you apply on your neck as well to balance it, to make it look younger. So this treatment will not only make sure you go naturally beautiful, it will as well help to make sure you are looking younger and spotless. So go on and apply this treatment. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes to penetrate into your skin. After that, you wash it off. The result is going to amaze you. You will see that instantly you get a glowing look. Your skin will feel soft and beautiful. Store the remain of this in the refrigerator to use it next time. Keep it in the fridge maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you trash it out. Make a fresh one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.